Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn participle prepositions. These are very interesting words in English because they look like verbs, but in many sentences they work as prepositions. In English grammar, participles are usually verbs ending in ing or ed, but sometimes they function as linking words instead of actions. Examples include considering, regarding, including, given, provided, bearing. These words are commonly used in technical writing, engineering reports, emails, and research papers. They help us express ideas in a more professional and precise way. What are participle prepositions? Let us first understand the definition. A participle preposition is a word that comes from a verb but works like a preposition in a sentence. Normally, verbs show action. But when these words act as a prepositions, they do not show action. Instead, they connect ideas in a sentence. Examples: considering the weather, the event was cancelled. Regarding the project, we need more information. In these sentences, the words considering and regarding are not showing actions. They are simply linking the idea to the rest of the sentence. So remember, participle prepositions look like verbs but function like prepositions. Let us begin with regarding and concerning. Both of these mean about a particular topic. They are commonly used in professional communication, reports, and emails. Example: I am writing to you regarding the structural flaws in the bridge design. The safety audit concerning the chemical plant will begin tomorrow. I have a question regarding tomorrow's exam. So remember, regarding or concerning tells us about a subject or topic. Next, we will learn including and excluding. These are used when we want to define what is part of something and what is not. Including means something is part of a group. Example: the total cost is 20,000 rupees including installation and shipping. The software package comes with 5 modules including the new AI debugger. The price of the course is 5,000 including study material. Preposition excluding means something is not part of the group. Example: all laboratory equipment excluding glass breakers must be sterilized. The total cost is 10,000 rupees excluding taxes. So remember, including is part of the group, excluding is not part of the group. Now we will learn prepositions given and considering. These words are used when we make decisions based on facts or conditions. Given. Given means taking something as a fact. Example: given the current budget constraints, we must delay phase 2. Given the weather conditions, the flight might be delayed. Next proposition: considering. Considering means taking something into account. Example: considering the high temperature, the metal may expand. Considering the heavy traffic, we should leave early. Remember, given or considering, it is based on facts or conditions. Now we move to the prepositions provided and assuming. These words are used when we talk about conditions. Provided means if a condition is satisfied. Example: the machine will run smoothly provided it is oiled daily. You may enter the lab provided you wear safety equipment. Assuming means supposing something is true. Example, assuming constant pressure, the gas volume will remain stable. Assuming there are no errors, the system will work correctly. So remember, provided or assuming prepositions are used during conditions. Now let us learn barring and following. Barring means except for something unexpected. Example, barring mechanical failure, the flight will land on time. Barring any problems, the project will finish next week. Following means after something happens. Example, following the successful test, the team started mass production. Following the maintenance check, the system was restarted. So remember, preposition barring means except for. Preposition following means after. We should understand that these words can sometimes be verbs and sometimes be prepositions. Let us compare. Example as a verb. He is considering a new job. Here, considering shows an action. Example as a preposition is considering the cost, it is a good deal. Here, it connects ideas and does not show action. Another example is he provided the tools. Here, provided is verb. You may go provided you finish your work. Here, provided is preposition. So, the same word can work in two different ways depending on the sentence. Now, let us practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct participle prepositions. Dash, the lack of spare parts. The repair took 3 days. The manual contains all instructions. Dash, the emergency protocols. Dash, there are no further delays. We will finish by Friday. I have several questions. Dash, the latest schematic diagram. Dash, the test results. We need to recalibrate the sensors. Let us check the answers. Again, here also, we can use multiple prepositions. Both the prepositions are suitable here. Considering the lack of spare parts, the repair took 3 days. This is also correct. Given the lack of spare parts, the repair took 3 days. This is also correct. Next one. The manual contains all instructions, including the emergency protocols. Provided there are no further delays, we will finish by Friday. I have several questions regarding the latest schematic diagram. This is also correct. I have several questions concerning the latest schematic diagram. This is also suitable. Again, for the next question, we can use two prepositions. Following the test results, we need to recalibrate the sensors. This is also right. Given the test results, we need to recalibrate the sensors. This is also correct. Now, let us quickly revise the key ideas. Important participle prepositions include regarding or concerning, it's about a topic, including, it's about a part of group, given, considering, based on facts, provided, condition, pairing, except for, following means after. These expressions are commonly used in academic reports, technical documentation, and project abstracts because they sound professional and precise. Using these words helps your writing become clearer and more formal. Thank you.